Today we will discuss about Oppo A96. Without a doubt, for your convenience, I will supply you with the following information on the Oppo A96. March 2022 saw the introduction of Oppo A96, a smartphone operating on Android operating system. The combination of its remarkable features, stylish style, and reliable performance is what makes it so appealing. To get info, the technicalities, let's look at design and display. The Oppo A96 has a shine profile measuring 164 mm and weight 191 grams. The display is a curved display. It has an IPS LCD display that has 6.59 inches in size and has a resolution of 1080 by 2012 pixels, which results in a pixel density of around 401 pixel per inch. It is possible to achieve a pixel which results in a pixel density of around 401 pixel per inch. It is possible to achieve a brightness of up to 600 nits and display is capable of supporting a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Performance and hardware. The phone is powered by Qualcomm SM600 6225 Snapdragon and 680 and 4G chipset, which is a 6 nanometer chipset. It also has an octa-core central processing unit, which is comprised of four 2.5 GHz Kryo 265 Gold and four 1.9 GHz Kryo 265 Silver cores. It is available in three different RAM and storage iterations. There are three different storage capacities available: 128 GB with 6 GB of random access memory RAM and 128 GB with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM and 8 GB of RAM. The technology known as UFS 2.2 is used for the internal storage. The camera system includes the camera system includes two different configurations, including in primary camera setup, a main camera with a resolution of 50 megapixels and 25 millimeter in width, and phase detection autofocus, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Some of the features include panoramic high dynamic range and LED flash. Included in the video record capabilities are 1080 pixel at 30 frames per second. The front-facing camera has a resolution of 60 megapixel, an aperture of 2.0 and width of 260 millimeter. The Oppo A96 comes with a non-removable lithium potassium battery that has a capabilities of 5000 milliampere hours and is capable of being charged and recharged. It is capable of lightning fast wired charging at 33 watts, and it comprises to charge by 50% in only 26 minutes. Disappointedly, it does not enable charging via wireless technology. A fingerprint sensor that is positioned on the side of the phone, an accelerometer, a proximity sensor, and compass are some of the other features that are included in device. Type-C 2.0 with support for over the air charging are some of the connectivity choices that are available. It is possible that it has NFC capabilities, although this will depend on the market and location. The hue sunset blue and starry black are the ones are accessible to choose from. The Oppo A96 can be purchased from roughly $264. The pricing of this device is not specified. In conclusion, the Oppo A96 provides a performance that is dependable, a camera that is of a fair quality and solid mix of features. Remember that the information I will provide is derived from the data that is currently accessible, and I strongly advise you to consult official source in order to get the most recent information. The Oppo A96 can be purchased for roughly $264. In conclusion, the Oppo A96 provides a performance that is dependable, a camera that is of fair quality, conversation with Copilot May 282 and 2024 for the source.